How to download and install VSDC Video Editor on your laptop. Let's just jump right in. So if you want to download the application, the first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have on your device, go to the search bar and simply search for VSDC Video Editor download. Now hit enter and you'll find the free version of the video editor right here on top. Go ahead and open up the first link. This is the official website for VSDC. Now just go ahead and click on Download Video Editor. Tap on it, and if it says verified on download, you can just click on Download Unverified File. It will just start downloading the installation. Now once that is done, just go ahead and open up the exe file, click on it. And once you do that, it will ask you for your permission to install. Click on yes. Now your package installer will come up. Select your language, click on OK, and then click on next. Now on the setup wizard, you're going to have to accept its terms and conditions. Tap on next, keep tapping next. Choose the file folder where you want to save it, and then tap next again. Now you could also select a start menu folder, tap next. If you want to create a desktop icon, you could just do that and then tap next again, and then tap on install. Now just wait for the installation to complete. And once the installation has been complete, you should be able to use the video editor. As you can see here, the installation has been completed. Now click on finish. And if I just go to my desktop here, the VSDC Video Editor will now start. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically download the VSDC Video Editor on your laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next time. Thanks for watching.